Let's learn how to use Kids InfoBits, our school's general database. Log into McAnVIA and click on the Database tab. Now scroll down and look for the Kids InfoBits general database. Click on Open Now. From this page, you can browse for a topic that interests you, or you can search directly. Let's say you're doing some research on clouds. You can type in that topic, and it will take you to all the information about clouds that's available. You can see here that there are 12 book articles, a biography, 50 pictures, a video, over 200 magazine articles, and over 200 news articles. Now, to see all of the articles in each category, you can click on the category title, and it will take you to a list of all the articles. You can kind of scan here to get a sense of which article might be best for you. When you see something that looks interesting, you can click on the article title, and it will take you to the article that you'd like to explore. Here we can see that there's some pictures. We can look down and start reading and looking for information that will help us with our research or our homework or just something we're interested in. Okay. A couple other interesting features that you might want to notice is, first of all, you can listen to the article being read to you. If you need to cite, there's a citation tool here. When you click on that, you'll actually get the citation that you're able to select and then copy and paste and put directly in your Google Drive or paste into a bibliography. As you're reading in Kids InfoBits, you can also highlight passages of the text and write notes. So let's say you find an interesting passage that you want to remember. You can highlight it, and then you can either click on highlight or you can add a note, and then you can say, "This is an amazing fact." Okay, and then you can save it. You can also just simply highlight. You can also, if there's a word that you're not familiar with, you can also highlight it and get the definition. And it brings up a dictionary that you can use right there. Okay, now once you've read the article and you've highlighted things and taken notes, you can send it directly to your Google Drive. Now you'll see that the document has been sent to your Google Drive and will appear there shortly. Now if we go to our Google Drive, we'll see a folder that says Kids InfoBits, and we'll actually be able to access our whole article that we just read, including what we highlighted, will appear at the bottom with our notes. You'll also see that the citation is included when you save something to your Google Drive.